All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one.
Hi guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, today's video is gonna be real cute, obviously. Today I woke up feeling so naturally pretty, but I also woke up feeling like I still want to put on makeup for some reason and I still want to film. So I did this I'm not wearing makeup look, and I feel so cute. I feel unclockable. Like, I feel like if somebody looked at me, they'd be like, oh, she's so pretty, but like, she's not wearing makeup. Well, my makeup girls would know, but like, nobody else would. For some reason, 2018 seems to be like on this natural makeup wave, especially with like glossier kind of becoming like a bigger thing. Like, I'm seeing so much attention put on natural, no makeup. Like, I woke up like this, model off duty kind of look, and I'm 100% here for it. And I think I might start doing more natural beats. We'll see, because I like me some makeup. But 2017 was definitely about being a cake face, and I'm all the way here for that. But I'm also all the way here for like just embracing what you got going on, you know what I mean? So without any more chatter, let's get into the look. Starting off with my brows, and as you can see, I don't really have a super defined arch, so instead of giving myself one like I usually would, I'm just kind of gonna fill in my brows as natural as possible. The one thing that I do always do is extend like the beginning of my brow, because my brows start all the way back here. I want them to start a little bit closer to like where my nose is. So I'm still gonna do that, but like as lightly and as natural as possible.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Shorty too fly though, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana, and she wanna give me the adunanani.
I'm now taking just a concealer brush. I'm not adding any product. I'm just blending out the front of my brows.
She don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you want it.
I'm now taking the Maybelline Brow Drama that I've actually been obsessed with. It's like so cute. Who am I, Kylie Jenner? It's like so cute. This will just make my brows look like less maintenance. I'm literally using more than one product on my eyebrow. Like, yeah, like low maintenance brows. My eyes, I'm going to leave completely bare. I'm just going to throw on the most natural pair of lashes I own, which is NyraDelRey by Kiss. So yeah, I'm going to put these on off camera.
I, pussy too good, drink too strong, yeah, to change, I am so gone. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl.
I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade
I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna.
This is the dewy and smooth finish, because we're not wearing makeup.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you're matte, you're like,
Keep
you
giving me
look
look.
more beat than you actually are. So we're gonna keep it
Keep giving me look.
You know you're not paying their rent.
Keep.
You just shake it back and forth. There's no motor, no batteries.
I need you.
Don't want to wear too much foundation with this look for very obvious reasons. We're trying to look like we don't have on makeup. We're trying not to have on too much makeup, so
A blessing, a shallow, a lie. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had.
Don't mind me just getting close to the brow. Taking one of the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Warm Honey. And I usually conceal more to like highlight and like bring out certain features in my face, but today I'm going to do more of like a true conceal with just like a little bit of highlighting.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
Okay, I went a little thick with the concealer on my nose, and like even on my more natural looks, my nose has to be snatched. Like, I love me a nose contour. So let's go ahead and start contouring because I need to fix my nose immediately before I have an anxiety attack. I'm contouring and bronzing with one product. I'm taking the e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo. I use it every day. I don't know why, I just forgot the name of it.
Let me know when you feel what you feel. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can't give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short of what I say. But I say I'm all about. But it's your best.
I'm now taking a cream blush from this palette that I'm not going to show you because I've had it for quite some time and it's ugly and nasty.
To wonder why, let me know. Let me know.
Before we go on to a very, very, very little bit of highlight, I'm going to spray my face with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And this isn't really matte finish, just like the dewy one isn't really dewy finish. I think they both kind of do the same thing, at least on my skin. So it's not going to counteract the dewiness of my foundation. I'm taking some NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator.
Try to find a place for me. When you're at your best, you are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know.
Now I'm very lightly lining my lips with a kind of like brown lip liner. the finished look. I think this is the easiest makeup look I've ever filmed for obvious reasons, and I feel so pretty. I love this look. I think it's so easy, just like waking up, going to work, going to school. Super fast to do, super easy. And yeah, I really like the way that it came out, and I feel pretty, but I don't feel like I'm wearing a mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Pinky promise you'll come back. Bye guys.
Because none of that could ever make